Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a little while, but I wanted to help you with 3D printing. Knew that Christmas was coming around. I know it's a little bit late, but even at that, I thought it was nice to help you with 3D printing because I really like it, and it'd be a nice thing to start after Christmas. So, the printer I use, I love this. I'm not a mega fan of 3D printing, but I just enjoy it just for a little bit of fun here and there. And one that I found that was really nice was the Anycubic Cobra 2. But if you wanted to get a little bit better, one that I do quite like if you're not going for big stuff is the Bambu Lab ones. Can't really suggest them any more than I will than anything else. My god, starters are crazy, I know. But yeah, the Bambu Lab, probably best if you have a little bit more money. But I quite like the Anycubic Cobra 2. The first one I've had, so I can't really base it off much else. But I do know, and I have had a friend that has the Bambu Lab one, and it's amazing. It looks amazing. Everything about it's just nice. It's very nice. But when you're doing it, you'll be missing out on, I don't know, stuff to print. So the suggestion from me is what I always do is I go to Cults 3D, sorry. But Cults 3D, fantastic place. It's just a bunch of like suggestions for filaments, 3D printers, 3D scanners, 3D software stuff as well. They have all that in the background, but mainly what they do is, pardon me, they give you files for 3D prints. So if you want anything, you can search it. Like if you can go on it right now, go up and search, I don't know, I'll search up a bolt right now, like, or no, keycap. I want a keycap. If I can type right. Keycap. Boom. If I look up keycap, it will come up with a bunch of files for like keycaps or anything related to keycaps. So yeah, they've got like little Evolution ones and some League of Legends ones, stuff like that. Some of the files cost money, but you can filter it through free, which is really nice. And in fairness, I love them, they look amazing. Stuff's actually really good. The free stuff's incredible, and some of the... I've tried one or two of the paid stuff, and it's amazing as well. But that's besides the point. The next thing you'll be wanting is some software. This is the software that I use to make the files and slice them and stuff. I like the Ultimaker Cura. That's also a brand that makes printers, but they're like proper 3D printers, like for companies. Apart from that though, they are amazing. The software that they have is free. It's really nice. You can change the scale of things. You can, I don't know, slice it, change how dense this stuff is. Anything. You name it. But anyway, I thought that was nice to share. I hope you all have a nice time. Happy holidays. I'll be saying that for like the next 3 videos or something. See ya!